Welcome to another episode of Wayne's World Garage. Today, I'm with Kevin Windsor and his son Kevin, aka Junior, at the Buck Motorsports Park in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, where they will be competing with their 3,000 horsepower New Holland Superstock tractor called 6-Shooter. If you like this, please hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thank you. This is the first time I've been able to get up close to these crazy machines and see what really goes on. It's not like the old days when two tractors or trucks, which I've never done, chain up to each other and start yanking. Their engines are highly modified and might better be described as engines built for dragsters. Their runs are under 15 seconds, they have no water cooling, they use water injection, and they're on hundreds of pounds of turbo boost. It's crazy. So the way this works, the tractor sled, which is what they pull, is set up so that for the first part of the run, there's not a lot of resistance or drag. But partway through the run, the sled, or part of the sled, actually drops down and starts digging into the ground, with this massive weight being progressively shifted to the front of the sled, increasing the drag on the tractor. At the end of each run, each machine either runs out of power or traction. Ideally, they want to go about 300 feet total. What engine does this have in it?
The Cummins.
It's a Cummins 6.7? Slightly modified. Slightly, oh my God. Then you're gonna have to tell me, what are we looking at? Holy smokes, this is diesel running how many horsepower? Just
17, 18.
17 or 1800. Yeah, I've got a 7.3, it's like 185 horsepower, I think. Not the same league. I was gonna bring it today, but I didn't want to embarrass you guys. I'm only kidding.
That one's actually coming.
More torque, less cylinders, longer stroke, right? I mean, you're changing the gears.
Yep.
Here's old gears.
Yeah.
Here's new gears.
Basically,
The heck?
these here, the transmissions, they just have a forward and reverse. So
Okay, one speed.
yeah, it's one speed, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So
Got
if
it.
you want to go faster or slower,
Yes.
you got to change it in your transfer case.
Right.
So what we're doing is going in, we're actually speeding it up a little bit tonight to try something new.
And then, so Kevin was saying, for the tractor pulling, you know, when the sled goes like partway down the track, the pin drops, and then the weights gets
Yep.
the metal part, and they do the same thing for you all.
Yep.
Okay, so
Yep, it starts digging in, they put the diggers down.
Got it. Oh,
Try to stop you.
got it. And this, what's the original engine? What was the original engine?
7.3. This is actually a 99 frame. This is,
So it was a Power Stroke.
yeah, Power Stroke. Yeah,
Okay.
this was my first truck. And
So that's funny.
2 years ago, we went and pulled the body off, and we put a aluminum body on from a 19 F350,
Okay.
and to save a little bit of weight and make it look cooler.
And that's your 99.
That's a 99.73, but has injection pump from a V8 Mack on it.
So you put some juice in it.
Yeah, yeah.
And the heads. So I've got a
this
so
is the Power Stroke. This
which is a
started
better
as
engine. The Power Stroke's
yeah.
probably the best easily
Yep.
made. I think people would
In
argue.
94 when they came out.
Yes.
The block and the heads are all original. I mean, we
Okay.
ported 20 over.
Got it. Wow.
Went through, ported the heads out,
Okay.
and then we made our own custom rockers. We have 8.3 Cummins injectors in there with
Holy
special
smokes.
nozzles on there, and like I said, we got injection pump from a V8 Mack.
And is it a secret, or how much boost are you running?
I do about 65 pounds.
Got it.
That's
Got
what
it.
mine makes.
And John was like running Kevin was running hundreds of pounds of pressure.
Yep.
Like, how much horsepower do you think this puts out?
Probably around 19.
19 out of Power Stroke. Wow. And heads don't come flying off. But in case they do,
In
you
case
got
they
this
do, we
cable.
got the cable
I've got this
around.
cable around here.
Yeah, for safety. Everybody's got it for safety.
Yeah. Wow, that's cool. That's awesome. Thank you so much. And what's your name?
Tom,
Tom. That's cool. Where are you from?
Bethel,
Cool.
about an hour north.
Not so bad. All right. Kevin, can you tell me what we're doing here? Just checking the oil.
Yeah, making sure it's got enough.
Making sure it's got enough. We don't want to not have enough. And this thing here, 3,000 horsepower. Unbelievable. And turbo on this thing looks like it's... Is there 3 turbos on this?
2.
So this is turbo here. Oh, that's what...
On this one.
Yeah. Okay, 2 turbos. What are these turbos off of? Take your
The big one is off of an end dump, like would be in a copper mine or something.
Yep. Big.
And then the smaller one would match pretty close to your standard tractor trailer running on the road.
Incredible. So the small one feeds the big one, I guess.
They work together.
They work together.
The big one gathers and the little one stuffs just like a
Got it.
two-stage air compressor.
Yes, awesome. Got it. That's too cool. Regular spark plugs and not regular, but regular ignition system almost, or?
MSD.
Yeah, MSD, yep. And do you do some of the welding on this, or do you have somebody else do some of the welding?
Somebody else.
Yeah.
Jason Hoopman did most of that.
Yeah.
The patching we've done.
Yeah, yep. You'll let him. So Junior's driving today. All right. I didn't know this until right now. This is even more exciting. But good luck, dude. This will be cool.
A little bit, right? Kevin Windsor Jr.
So that's it for this episode of Wayne's World Garage. Thank you so much to Kevin Windsor and his son Junior for inviting me to tag along with him today. Next time, we'll put the GoPro on your tractor as you do your run. That'll be awesome. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up.